Okay, mannequin male. I press and it works. It's great. It's great. Then I can press play, start game, and mannequin female. Great, it works. Mannequin female. And the last one, I click play, then Genfall, and looks, it's perfect. It's great.
Yeah, it is very cool.
Hi everyone and welcome to the second episode of Unreal Engine 5 tutorial. My name is Alan, it's my guest Alina, and today we will show you how to import your custom character into Unreal.
Hi.
Okay. Hi. Let's start it. Here you can see our Institute knowledge base, and here we have a couple of slides. So these slides will help you to understand us better. Actually, if you wanna open this website, if you wanna open this wiki page, link on this page you can find in the description below. Okay, let's start from the first slide. And here we wanna show you about how to create character workflow. Here we can see two parts. First, it's standard game character creation workflow. It's sculpting, retopology, texturing, rigging, and animating. This process you will do anytime, anywhere when you create your character. Yep, Alina.
Yep.
Okay, and next one is specific to Unreal Engine. It's import. It's actually import these files into Unreal and creating animation blueprint. Okay, let me show you about all of these cases. First one, it's sculpting. Usually if you're creating high poly character, for example, you will sculpt it. Actually, we work it in the ZBrush application. It's actually question about we talking yesterday. Yep. Actually, here we sculpt high poly model with more than 5 billion of polygons, and this model is great, but we cannot use it directly in the Unreal Engine because it's bad optimizing. Low-end PC will not able to run this game. And because of that, the next slide, the next case is retopology. Retopology is recreating a low poly model based on our high poly model. Yeah, and here you can see that this retopology 3D model is optimizing and have 10,000 of polygons only. Okay, here understood, yep?
Yeah.
And then here we have a texturing case. Here, after you sculpt your character, after you make retopology, you will texture. It's creating some textures. Here you can see only 2 textures, but now we can have more than 5 textures for one material. Actually, one material can have many of textures. It's more abstract thing. Okay, great. And here you can see a normal map. It's actually base color of your character it's base color of your material, and in right side you can see a normal map. This normal map make fake detalization for retopology. It's simple, yep.
Yeah.
Here, actually, with this normal map, your low poly model will looks like a high poly model. Okay. The next one is rigging. It's very simple. Rigging is process of creating skeleton for a 3D character model. The next one is animation. Animation, it's important that animations always creating for a specific skeleton, and you have to know that animations created for one skeleton will not works with different. And standard, I don't know, standard asset, standard pack of animation, it's idle, it's it's walking, running, jumping, crouching, swimming, attacking, etc.
Um, what programs can you use to create this?
Okay. What about sculpting? In 99% it's ZBrush. Actually, you can sculpt in Maya, in Cinema 3D, in Blender, but usually we using a ZBrush application. What about retopology? It's in 90% it's Maya or Blender. Maya may be a little bit better than Blender, but Blender is is fully free, and it's great that it's free. Then about texturing. You can create the texturing in Photoshop, in Paint, for example, or you can use more specific application like a Substance Painter. Substance Painter is great application for texturing. What about rigging? We make rigging in we can do this in all of this application in Cinema 3D, in 3D Max, in Maya, in Blender, but in 90% it's Maya or Blender. What about animation? It's absolutely the same thing. It's Maya or Blender. Actually, we can do this in all of them, but in 90% it's Maya or Blender. Okay. It's all about this first standard game character creation workflow, and then we will talk about specific to Unreal Engine. This is import to Unreal import and creation animation blueprints. Actually, process of import 3D character with animations into Unreal and set up which animation have to play in current time, in current state. Actually, if your character is just stay, so it's idling. If your character start to jumping, it's jumping. If your character go into water and he swimming, must play swim animations, and like that. Okay, let's talk about tips and tricks. First one. Create more than 20 animations from scratch for any of your specific skeletons will take many of money and time. Indie developers in 90% using standard Unreal Engine mannequin skeleton because in the marketplace exist many of almost free animations for it. Actually, let me show it. I wanna open my Epic Games Launcher. I wanna open marketplace. Okay, marketplace.
Okay.
It's loading. Okay, great. And here I wanna click animations. And here you can find 100 and maybe 1,000 of different animations for this Unreal skeleton. Okay, then next one. Adobe Mixamo websites gives you ability to rig your character in 2 minutes. It also gives you more than 100 of absolutely free animations. So you can only sculpt, retopo, and texture your character. The Mixamo website will make rest of it. Today we will talk about Mixamo a bit later. Then, last one, exist many of free or almost free applications for creating characters from existing preset without modeling or topology or texturing. For example, we can find, I want to show you Make Human. Make Human is one of that applications. You can create here your character from presets. And we have many of applications like that. Okay, the next one, it's the next what I want to show you. It's how to oh no, I'm sorry. The next slide is the most popular cases I want to show you. First one is take already created rigged for Unreal mannequin or custom skeleton and animated character. For example, buy from marketplace or from 3D artists directly, import into Unreal and set up in blueprints. Actually, you a programmer, you don't must be a 3D artist. It's different specializations.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's standard. The next one for indie, it's create anything from scratch. Sculpt, retopology, texturing, rigging, animating, then import to Unreal and set up in blueprints. You all in one indie developer. Why not? The next one is create and rig character for Unreal mannequin skeleton and gets animation almost free in marketplace. Yes, it's very popular case. And the next one, it's from Mixamo. When you, it's 4, 5, and 6, when you rig and get animations from Mixamo, but you can create character from scratch. I will show you in the next slide how to do this. The next one, it's create character in one of character creating applications from presets. Yeah, like make human, for example. And last one, it's take free 3D character model from web or also Mixamo. Yep, in the Mixamo you can rig, animate, or you can take some. Mixamo have some characters. Okay, great.
Okay.
And next, I wanna show you how to create a simple character and rig and animate it in the Mixamo website. It's like a fourth case. It's rig and animation in the Mixamo, but create character from scratch in Maya, Blender, or 3D Max. Let me open Blender. I'm actually not 3D artist, so I will not use sculpting. I won't retopology. I will not create some material, some textures. It's just standard simple character, and we will rig and animate it in the Mixam website. Okay, here I have the standard lights, cube, camera, and collection. I don't need it. Also, I wanna say thank you for our Patreon sponsors. For now, we have first one sponsor. It's Thomas Anderson. If you want to help our project, you can become our sponsors by the link you can see on the screen. Okay, then I want to add. I wanna add icosphere. It will be. I don't know what it will be. Like this. This will be head for our character. Okay. The next one will be also icosphere. It will be the chest of our character. Like this, like this, like this. Then I want Then I want to a little bit rotate it. Okay. Okay, great. And the next one will be our arms. It will be also icosphere. All of our character will be from icosphere. It's mesh. It's icosphere. Then I want to create arms for our character. I want to activate some modifier. It's called mirror. And here I need to select mirror object. It's our chest. And it looks, it works. Then I wanna make it something like that. Then I wanna rotate it. Okay. This one. Then I wanna rotate like this. Okay, not bad. Maybe a little bit less like that. Okay, great. Actually, I want to show you here. We have tool, items, edit, view, and I want to find here some tool. Let me show you. Bull tool. It's tool that I want to show you. Item, transform tools, active tool. Yep, I need to open preferences, add-ons. Here I want to find bull. Yep, bull tool. Yep, and then here in the edit you can find bull tool, and here we will make union to make it's all of this icosphere together. Okay, great. But now I will edit under. and I will resume my creation of my character. Okay, great. Then add mesh ecosphere. It will be second part of arms. Then it's also must have a modifier like mirror, and for chest, then it's like that, like that. Okay. Yep. Great. The next one, add mesh ecosphere. I want to make it more specific to S.
It's like T-pose, yeah?
Exactly. Yep. Okay. It's actually not exactly T-pose. It's like I want to show you that T-pose is like that, but in our case, it's something like that. It's very it's like T-pose, but it's not T-pose. It's specific into Unreal actually. In Unity we use T-pose. Okay, now save. Great. Then I'm gonna add mesh ecosphere. What not? Delete. Add mesh ecosphere like that. Then actually also mirror like this, like that. Great. Let me check again. It works great. Control Z under, and then I'm gonna add last one fit. It's mesh ecosphere like this, like this. Also mirror from chest like this. Can 3, and here I can where will be it? This. Great. 3. Oh, perfect.
Nice.
Yeah. Okay, then what I need to do is press File, then export from FBX format. Then I need go to my S drive. Here I wanna create my folder and name it as my custom I don't know, maybe must be tiny character. I wanna call it like tiny from Dota. Export FBX. Great. Then we created our character. Then I wanna show you how to import it into Mixamo and get free animation, how to put skeleton inside it and get animations for it. And logs, here we have two main tabs. It's character tabs and animation tabs. As I said before, we can get character from here or we can get animations from here. But in this case, I wanna upload my animation. I wanna upload my character. It's custom tiny character. Oh, wait a minute. Custom tiny character. What's wrong? I wanna open my C drive. Custom tiny. Oh, was something wrong? Okay, file, export. FBX. Oh, I create. Okay, it's my file. I saved my tiny here, so I cut it here, then paste it here, then go to my folder and click open. Okay, then we will put in 2 minutes we will put skeleton into our character. Okay, great. I click next. Then we need to make some points. It's this one. Then example, this one. It's what is this? It's right elbow. Okay, this one, and this one. It actually will not works great correctly for all of your 3D models. It actually works from humanoid in 90%, but it's free if you have no experience, if you have no money, if you are programmer only. So you can import skeleton in this case. Okay, here I wanna check no fingers because our character have no fingers. Use symmetry and then click next. Then we need to wait a few seconds until this Mixam website will integrate skeleton into our character. Okay, great. It's done. And here we can see animated and rigged our character. Then we can see how it looks like. And then I will click next. Your character has been uploaded. Process with new character. Yes. I click next. And then here we can see our character. And the next one, we can work with this character. We can find all of these required animations, download it. For example, I don't know, let's test dance. Yep, dance, and our character will be dancing, for example, or so it's not working. I want to refresh my tab. Okay, let's try one more time. Yep, and as we can see,
Nice.
yep, it's great. Yep, it's absolutely free. It works. We can find, for example, idle animations like this. If you wanna change character arm space, you can make it like this, and yep, it's character arm space. Okay, great. Actually, we can work with this character bar, but in our case, I wanna show you another. I wanna show you another case, another character. So I wanna go to characters. Then I wanna find this one. It's Gamedev. Okay, it's first. No, it's on the second page. Here it is. Yep, process with new character. I need to refresh this tab. Okay, yep. Then actually we need to select character. We've done it. Then we need to find and choose our idle animations. Okay, first what we need to do, we what? Nothing.
No.
Okay, we need to go to animation tab and find and type here idle. So we need to go to animations tab and find it's here idle. Then I wanna use these idle animations. We need to refresh this tab because it's something lagging, but I don't know why. Yep, idle animations, it works great. I wanna close my don't save. So here I wanna download these idle animations, but what I wanna told to you that you don't need to download character skin more than one time. So first time, actually we can download only characters, and then we can download animations for our characters. We can click here download and here select without skin. But in my case I will download character 3D model, character mesh, then textures and first idle animation in one.fbx file. So I will click here download, and we need to wait few seconds until this idle fbx file will be downloaded. Okay, then we can go next, and we downloaded idle animation with the 3D model with the textures, and then we need to find and download walk animation. So we need to right here walk, and then we need to find these animations. This animation I wanna select this one. It's walk down here. I need to refresh my tab. Yeah, with something lagging here, but it doesn't matter. Walking or happy, brutal to happy walking. Oh, this one. Yep. I don't know, it's not working. Let's yep, it works. Then we need to click, it's very important, in place. Of course, we need to click here in place, and then actually, yep, in place, and we can download this character. But I click download, and all of rest animation I wanna download without skin. So actually we don't need download a skin 3D model every time. Okay, and I click download. Download started. It's done. Great, we've done with walk, and then we need to find and download run animation. Like that, if I wanna type here run, and then I wanna take this running animations. It's not working. I don't know why, but we need to refresh this tab. Something wrong with the Mixama today. Running, of course, in place, and then download without skin and download. Okay, we've done with run. It's downloaded. Yep. We've done with run, and then jumpstart. It's actually very important to know that in Unreal we can have different jumping, and in our case, when we go to mannequin animations, we can find here like jump start, jump end, and jump loop. So actually jump start is part of animation when your character is start to jumping. Then he's flying. It's this animation, it's flying, and the end of jumping, it's jump end. It's this. Okay, great. So in this case, we can actually find our jump animation. First of all, it's we need to type jump. Then I wanna select this mutant jumping. It's great. It's a great animation. It's not working. Refresh tab. Okay. What next? Here we can cut some part of our animation. Oh, it's not working. Refresh one more time. So here we can cut this jumping animation for 3 hour for 3 jumping. So first one, it's between 24 and 51. It's like, oh, doesn't matter actually. It's between 24 to 51. To 51. And then actually this animation by default it's very slow, and actually we can improve this speed of this animation inside of Unreal, or here we can click overdrive, and then 24 to 20. I'm sorry, I want to update my page. It's horrible, but 24 to 51. Yep, but it's jump starting, and it's very slow. Actually, I want to make overdrive here like this. If you want, you can do this in the Unreal. Okay, then I click download without skin and download. Oh, I'm sorry, it's my fail. Download without skin and download. Yep. It's done. Okay, it's jump start. Okay, let me I want to name its I wanna rename this animation. It's idle. Then the next one is not walking. I wanna name it like walk. The third one is run. Then this one it's like jump. It's like jump start. If you want, you can write here 24 to 51 if you wish, or 24. Yep, it's jump start. Okay, the next one, it must be jump fly. Yep, it must be jump fly. It's no, 24 20 I'm sorry, 20 21. Yep, and next one start. What I have done here. Okay, it's great. It's correct. 52 by 57. It's 52 by 57. It's jump. It's jump fly, it's jump looping. Here actually we can make overdrive. It doesn't matter because overdrive we can do in the Unreal, but in my case I wanna overdrive back to 50. Okay, and then I click download. It's lagging, but it works without skin, and download. Yep, it's downloaded, and right of that I wanna refresh. Yep. I want to rename this mutant jumping to jump fly 22 to 27 jump fly. Yep, great. Now the next one, it's jump end. It's 28 to 78. 28 to 78. It's 28 278. Okay, and I download with overdrive. Yep, it's my file.
Yeah.
Yep. Okay, we can actually. Okay, then I wanna re-download this. I'm sorry. Jump and jump fly. 22 by 27. 22 to 27 with 50 of overdrive. Then great, then download without skin, download. Okay, and then here refresh. This jump fly I will delete. It's my fail. I will delete and rename this jump fly. Okay, it's correct. Great. And the last one is jump end. 28 by 78. Okay. 28 to 78. And in this case with overdrive back to 100. Okay, great. Download without skin and download. Okay, let me rename it. It will be jump end 28 by 78. Great.
Yeah.
And what we have here, I wanna copy these files. Yeah, I wanna copy this file. I wanna cut these files here in. I wanna create a new folder and call it like our again file. I wanna create a new folder and call it like again file and paste here. So here we have a summary. Get character from summary. Actually, we have these animations. As you can see, first idle animations, it's something like 20 megabytes because it's 3D model, it's textures and it's animations. And then rest of it, it's only 300 of kilobytes because it's animations only. We actually can download independent character, independent textures and independent animations, but it's will be faster. Okay, great. Go next. Then we need to create a specific folder structure like in the like Epic Games created for this mannequin. So what I want to create is again file. I wanna copy this name because I don't know this name. Gunfall oh, or not. I wanna check it. No, gunfowl. Oh, okay, I'm right. It's a mistake in the presentation, doesn't matter. Okay, then I create here a new folder, call it like gunfowl. Then inside of it I will create two subfolders. It's animations and character. New folder, animation and character. I wanna tell you that here we started to import to Unreal. Yep. We actually downloaded. Oh no, we not started. We still import to Unreal, but before it we downloaded from Mixamo, and here we start to import to Unreal. Yep. Okay, then in the character folder we need to create three subfolders. It's materials, mesh, and textures. In character folder, three subfolders. It's materials, like this, like here. Then materials, then what, mesh, I don't remember. Yeah, mesh and textures. Textures. Okay, we created folder structure, and then we need to import first idle animation. I ready here to save time. We downloaded 3D mesh with the first idle animation and textures in one FBX file. Usually 3D models, animation, and textures can be 3 or more independent files, as I said before. Okay, go to mesh, go to our character. I want just drag and drop my idle FBX file here, and then we need to deselect, we need to select none in skeleton because it's new skeleton, and we need to check here import animations checkbox. Rest of it must be by default, and I click import all. Okay, let's wait a few seconds. Yep, it's done. Okay, what we have after first import? It's material, looks like this. First one, it's material, then it's texture. Next one, it's also texture. It's also texture. It's also texture. It's also texture. Then it's skeletal mesh. Then it's idle animation that we need. Then it's T-pose animation, which we don't need. Then physical asset and skeleton. You can see it here. So it's material, textures, skeletal mesh, idle animation, which we need, T-pose, which we don't need, physical asset, and skeleton. So what we need here, we need to first we need to delete this T-pose because we don't need it. I wanna save it. Then we need to rename all of these files to give it correct names and sort to specific folders. Let me do this. I want to rename first idle skeleton to sk underscore gun fall. Yep, sk gun fall. Then you can see in the mannequin actually mesh physical assets, call it like physical assets. Oh no, it's just name and underscore skeleton. I'm sorry. It's like genfall underscore skeleton. Great. The next the next one is skeletal mesh must be sk and name. It's skeletal mesh. Yep, to mesh, it's our skeletal mesh. I wanna copy name, and here must be sk underscore genfall. Great. So actually I want to first, it's my mistake, first I want to sort all of these files to specific folders. Material into materials folders, textures into texture folders, etc. Okay, what I want to do, it's take this material and drag and drop to material folders and move here. Great. Then I wanna select this one, textures, and this one from control. It's also textures. All of these files, it's textures, and drag and drop into the textures folders and move here. Great. And then I want to I also rename it skeletal mesh. Then what about physical asset? SK name, and in the end must be physical asset mesh SK underscore gunfall physical asset without underscore or with underscore. Yep, here underscore physical asset. Great. And and this is animation, and animation I forgot to sort into animation folders and move here. Okay, what do we have here? Here we have SK gainfall, it's skeletal mesh, physical asset, and skeleton. Great. The next one, I want to go to animation, and let's go to mannequin animations folder. How it works, it's name of character and walk. Yep. Or idle. Yep. So animation, gainfall, idle. It's not great, but idle. Yep, I don't like it, but it's correct. Okay, then about materials, we can go to materials and m underscore material. So it must be m underscore gain for material, and texture actually doesn't matter for this time. For short, we will not rename all of these textures. Okay, great. Let's go back to the animations, and here I want to go to the next slide, and actually we can if we try to open our skeletal mesh, we will see this bug, this translucent character. Yes. Yeah. Yesterday we fixed this problem. So what we need here, it's because in 99% when you import your systems in the Maya or Blender and in Unreal, it's different. I mean material systems. So if you import FBX file with textures, in 99% it will not work correctly out of box. So what we need to do, we need to go to I want to open this character. Then we need to go to the material, gainful body. Then here we need to make it better, like this. In the different character you can see different materials, but it doesn't matter. So first of all, it's translucent. We need to change it. I want to click this gainful body and change blend mode from translucent to opaque. Then save. And looks, it's great. It's great and it works. Actually, if you want to make this emissive color more bright, you can multiply this emissive color. No, you can press 1. You can create this you can create this constant value, or actually you can convert it to parameter. Call it like emissive color. So by default it must be like 1. Then multiply this emissive color, multiply texture by this value, connect to emissive color like this, like this, like this, like this. Actually, opacity, in this case we will not activate this opacity mask, but it's actually, we don't need in this tutorial. This tutorial, it's not about materials, but what I want to show you. So then we need to go to this material, right mouse button click, it's new, create material instance, rename it like mi, it's like material instance, save all, save selected. Then I wanna this material instance, I wanna go to sk, then no, asset details, yep, I actually can drag and drop it here. I can drag and drop this material instance, and then we can open this material instance, look at the character. Then I want to activate this parameter, emissive color, and looks 100, very big number, yep, it's like that, but I want to something like 5, yep, and it works. Actually we can save it, we can actually see that it works correctly. Oh no, actually we have we have bug here. So here you can see here cloth, but in the front of it, oh, it works, yep. I'm not sure, but in this material we also need to check this two-sided material, because without it we have some bug. Okay, compile, save, compile in shaders, we need wait, yep, and now it's fully great. I close this skeletal mesh, save all, compile in shaders. Okay, then we need to import rest of our animations. So what we need to do, we need to go to animations folder, open our Genfol folder, select rest of animations, drag and drop. Here you can see skeleton, yep, all of these animations were created for this Genfol skeleton, and then we can press import all. Okay, great, but I want to maybe I want to rename it just looks, just idle here, jump end here, jump fly here, jump start, run and walk. Save all, save selected. Let me open this walk animation, and it's walking. I wanna open this jump end, and it's end of jumping. Okay, great. Let's go next. What we have after first import and renaming, like this. Actually, we can call it like Genfol underscore idle or just standard idle. Okay, then or maybe, okay, I wanna rename it Genful underscore Control C and walk. Okay, great. Save. And then go next. Now we end import 3D model with animations, tutorial, and now we need to create animation blueprints. First, what we need to create? We need to create blend space 1D. It's actually blend space between three animations. It's between idling, walking, and jump and running. So let me show you. To create it, for Genful idle blank space. Okay, great. I want to create animation and blend space 1D. Then I need to select that I want to create a Genful skeleton, and then I want to name it like Genful underscore idle underscore walk underscore run underscore blend space. Yeah, great. Save all. Save selected. Then go to animations, and here yep, and here we need to create a new variable, call it like speed, and if our speed will be 0, it will be idling. When our speed will be not big, not large, it will be walking, and in the maximum speed it will be running. So what I want to create here, inside of this blend space, I want to create a new variable and call it like speed. Then I want maximum speed to set at 600, number of divisions like 3, and then I need to put here some animations. First, it's idling on 0. Actually I can click here and Genful idle 0. Then Genful walk to here, it's like speed 200, and last one run into the maximum speed, it's 600. So here hold shift to move the preview point green. So I press shift and looks, it's idling, then it's moving, it's almost walking, it's walking, and then it's going to be running, and maximum speed is running. Great. Then I can I can save it. So here it's standard parameters. Okay, I want to close it. Then I want to go to the next step, and first of it we need to create animation blueprint. Actually here we started, when we start to create our blend space, we started to create an animation blueprint. Okay, then go to create animation blueprints. It's Genful underscore and anim bp. Great. Click here, animations, then animation blueprint. Then we need to select which parent class we want to get. It's anim instance. Then which skeleton we want to select. It's Genful skeleton, and then I click OK, and I wanna name it like gunfall underscore anim bp. Great. Save all. Save selected. For short time, I wanna go back to our blend space, and here I wanna talk to you that this blend space working like this. I wanna press play, and looks, when I go forward, my character go forward from my camera. But if I press S, my character go back. If I press D button, it's like diagonal and right side and the left side. But we have some games when we press S button, but our character will be going back, not forward. Looks, our character always going forward. But if you want to make specific game when you go back and your character go back, so in this case we using a more specific not 1D but just standard blend space, Genful skeleton, and here we have like a center, front, back, right side, left side, and more specific blend space. But in our case we will not use it. And we created animation blueprint. Compile, save. Let's go back to our presentation. I can close this Mixamo, we don't need it anymore. So then we need to create animation blueprint event graph. So we can just copy code from third person animBP. Let's do this. We can go to mannequin animations, third person animBP, then go to anim graph, select it, copy, and here we can paste it like this. So we don't need this function try get problem owner, connect here. We can create these variables because in these blueprints we have not this is in air boolean variable and this speed float variable. So create variable speed and create variable is in air. So let me show you what happening here. So this event blueprint update animation, it's like event tick. It calls every your frame, and then we try to check is valid our pawn is our character. If it's valid, we get movement component, check is falling. If our character is falling, he is flying, so we activate this is in air variable. The next we get reference from we also get reference from our pawn of our character, then get velocity, vector length, and we get character speed. So actually these two variables will help us to create great correct animations for our character. Okay, compile, save. Let's go back to our presentation, and then we need to create anim graph state machine. If we go to anim graph, here we can see this output pose. It's actually pose will be showing here or in your character. We can connect, for example, walk here, but in this case our character will always only walking. Or we can connect idle here, but our character will be idling always, anytime. You idling, you're jumping, crouching, you walking, you're running, your character will always be idling. So we need to create a state machine. A state machine will change between several animations based on our is in air and speed variables we created before. Yep. Okay. So we need to create here a state, add new state machine. We can call it, no, go back, like default, for example, and connect it here. Compile, save. Here we can see warning because we have no animation inside. Okay, entry, and here we have no slides because we must to create it in real time. Okay, first it's actually, if you don't know what you have to do, you can open third-person animation blueprint, go to AnimGraph, default state machine, and create the same thing. But I call loop animation jump loop, I calling jump fly, but it doesn't matter. So first it's idle run at state, it's idle underscore walk underscore run. Okay, the next one state, it will be jump start. Then the next one will be jump fly, and the next one will be jump end, like this. Then we need to define which animation must play in these concrete states. First, idle, walk, run, it must be our blend space 1D. We connect it here, and logs here we have speed. If our character have 0 speed, it's just he's just idling. If we have more speed, if we have something like 200, our character is walking, and at the maximum speed our character will be running. So but here we can we press 0 and connect our created before speed variable logs, and it works, and it will be works based on character speed. Okay, go back. Then jump start, it's actually jump start. Compile, save, go back. Jump fly, it's actually our jump fly. In Unreal it's called like jump loop, but in my case I call it jump fly. Then last one is jump end, it's actually jump end. Compile, save. Yep, we've done with it. Oh, sorry, AnimGraph state machine, and then we need to program. We need make sense which animation must play in the concrete character state. So actually in my presentation, in one of first slides I told it. So animation no, not this, oh, like this. Process import to Unreal and creation in BP, process import which animation have to play at current time in current state, and now we create this state machine. So we can actually open this one, and first our character will go from idle, walking, run to jump start when is in air. So let's do the same. Compile, save. Great. Then jump start will go to jump loop when we have 0.1 time remaining ratio. So it's almost done, this animation. So when our jump start in the end, and our character will play jump fly animation. Okay, to get this function, we need to copy, we need to go here, then we need to copy jump start, copy name, and here we need to find time remaining ratio, jump start. Then like this, less, yep, less than 0.1, connect here, compile, save. Then go back, jump fly, going to be jump end when is in air, is not in air. So here it's our jump fly to jump end. We get our boolean is in air variable, call not equal, no, sorry, not equal, just not boolean, and connect, compile, save. Great. Then go back, and last one is the same. So we get our jump flying and less than 0.1. So here in the jump end to jump jump end to idle walk run, we need call jump, we need copy name of jump end, Control C, right, time remaining ratio less than 0.1, and connect it, compile, save, and great. But yesterday, Alina, we have bug, so we know that we need make some changes. It's my NMBP. So jump start must be never looping, never. Yep. Do you remember? Jump start must be never looping. Compile, save. Then go back. Then jump fly. Our jump fly is the same. It's actually never looping. And our jump end also never looping. Yep. So go back. I don't know. Yep, great. In the next time we will play. You can be free with this play rate. So actually this play rate, it's also our overdrive. So actually you can change overdrive or here or in the Unreal. Okay. Then we need make our character, make our file structure more clean. So what I want first, I wanna move our character, third-person character, to blueprints gameplay. Actually, I wanna close my animation blueprint. I wanna close my another animation blueprint. So then, if you remember, our character based looks. We in the last episode we created or all our logic in the gameplay blueprints gameplay folders. Here we spawn our character, but our character is in the third person BP folder. It's not correct. I wanna drag and drop to blueprints gameplay and move here. Looks great. Then I wanna rename my character from third person character to BP underscore gameplay character. So I want to rename it like BP underscore gameplay underscore, or without underscore, just character. Great. And then I want to delete this third person BP folder. This third person BP folder, here we have old game mode, which we don't need, old third person example map, which we don't need, and I want to delete this, delete, and delete. Okay, great. So now we go to gameplay, save all, save selected, and go next. So here we will create a logic for changing between our characters, but first I want to show you how to change your character. Here we spawn our character, and when we press play, we play with our character. Inside this BP gameplay character, we have a mesh component, and here by default it's a SK mannequin, but we also can change to mannequin female. This mannequin female works with the same animation blueprints, because this SK mannequin and SK mannequin female have the same skeleton and works with the same animations. So I press play, and looks we play with mannequin female character. But if we want to change our 3D our mesh, our skeletal mesh to SK Genfall, looks it works but without animations, and we need to define which anim class we want to use.
Stop. Please, camera move.
Oh, okay. Okay, sorry. Yep. Thank you. I wanna deactivate our cameras, and here looks we have this our new skeletal mesh, and to work with that we need activate the same Genfall anim BP Genfall anim BP animation blueprint. Yeah, and then I press play, and looks we can go we already changed our character. We can jumping, but here as I can see our jump end is still looping. Let me check it. Genfall animations, animation blueprint, jump end, select locks. It's looping. Yep. Compile, save, then play. I jumping, and it works, but I want to change this jump end. I want to make it faster. It's like I wanna go to my jump end and make it play rate to 3 like yesterday. Yep, you remember. 3.
Yeah.
Compile, save, play. And now it's something wrong. No, it's 1. It's play rate basic. This is our play rate. Compile, save, play, and yep, it's great. But actually we can we can also jump start, make a little bit faster, maybe 2. Let's try. Compile, save, play. No, it's too fast. 1. Compile, save, play. Yeah, it's great. It's great. So the next thing I wanna show you is that mesh. If we have, I wanna show you that animations always created for specific skeleton. Animations created for one skeleton will not work with different. Yeah, what it means. So if I have here SK Genfall and I wanna try to make it works with a third person anim BP, it will not works. I can press play. We will see this 3D model. 3D model will works, but without animation. It's actually it will not works. So I want to change to default SK mannequin and third person in BP. Great. Okay, then go next. And then I wanna create the next logic. I wanna create menu when you wait a minute, maps, main menu. When you in main menu play start game, here I wanna show you menu with some buttons like this. So you can choose mannequin male character, or actually 3D model is the same character. Mannequin female, our new imported Genfall, or back to main menu. It's logic I want to show you in this tutorial at last. Great. So here what we need. First we need to create enumeration. It's enum with 3 parameters. It's mannequin male, mannequin female, and Genfall. Okay, it's select character. So here in blueprints gameplay, I wanna create new blueprints. Enumeration, it must be underscore select select character. Yep, select character. Yep. Here inside of it I want to create 3 variables. It's mannequin male, mannequin female, and Genfall. I don't know how to write mannequin, so I want to copy this name. I want to paste. It will be mannequin minute. Yep, it will be mannequin male, mannequin female, and our Genfall. Yeah, save. Okay, great. Close it. Gameplay, save all. And then we need to add some logic to our BP gameplay character. At the begin play, we will use switch case node from our character type and change our 3D model and animation blueprints. So first I want to open my character, go to our event graph. Here I want to create this character type variable. It must be new variable. I call it like character type. Its type must be underscore select character, compile, save. It also must be instance editable and expose on spawn. It's like constructor of our class. So in a BP gameplay player controller, when we here refresh nodes, here we can select which 3D model we wanna use in our character. Okay, compile, save. So here we wanna call begin play event. It calls when player with this actor is start. So then I calls this enumeration, then select, no, oh no, not select, but switch. Yep, it's switch case. And here, what we have to do is get mesh. First, it's get, we can like this, mesh. And then, first it's set skeletal mesh. Set skeletal mesh. Ctrl C, Ctrl V, 3 times, like this. It's mannequin male, it will be mannequin male, it's mannequin female, and it will be genfall. Okay, then we have to connect meshes. Then we can add reroute node here. I wanna like that. Sorry. I will recreate it like this, and like this. To make it looks, I press Q. Okay. Then I wanna set anim instance class. Set animation instance class, and the same thing 3 times. It's first, it's second, and last, like this and like this. Compile, save. Great. And then we need to select which mesh we want to activate. Mannequin male, it must be SK mannequin. Here, third person anim BP. Here, mannequin female, but also with third person anim BP. And then it must be, last one must be SK genfall, and with our created before genfall anim BP. Compile, save, and we can comment all of that it's changing character 3D model. Great. Compile, save. It's great. Let's test it. I wanna go to my player controller. Then mannequin male, compile, save. I press play, start game. It's mannequin male. Great. Then mannequin female, compile, save. I press play, start game. It's mannequin female. Great. Last one. Yeah, genfall, compile, save, play, start game. It's our genfall. It works. Great. So then go next. Then we need to add additional logic to our BP gameplay player controller. So here, when we spawn our character, we here now we spawning our character right on our controller spawns. But here we need to create new custom event, and I wanna call how spawn character. Yep. Spawn character. Then connect here, and then I wanna get this character type and connect to this. Compile, save, and let's make it better. Like this. Compile, save, and it calls from UI widget. Yep. Compile, save. Great. Then we need to create this gameplay select character widget blueprint. So we can go to our main menu, UI. Here we need to create new folder like gameplay. Inside of our gameplay folder, we need to create a user interface widget blueprint. It must be, I don't know, gameplay select character WB. Gameplay character select WB. Okay, I wanna open this widget. So then I wanna make a custom screen size, it full HD, like this. So I will create a very simple buttons. It must be just size box, unsure to center. Here alignment 0. To center 0.5, 0.5, then position to 0, then size 400 to 300, for example. Why not? Compile, save, and then we need to put inside that vertical box. Inside of vertical box we need to put a button. A button we must set as fill. Inside of our button we need to add text. And we actually can Control C, Control V. It's Control V and Control V. So what we want to create, these 4 buttons. It's mannequin male, mannequin female, gainfall, and back to main menu. Okay, so, and I wanna add some spacer here. It must be some, I don't know, maybe 5. Yep, it's enough. It's 5 and it's 5. Then we need to change text here. It will be our mannequin male. The next one will be mannequin female. Next one will be our gainfall. And last one will be back to main menu. Oh, you forget I forget to activate cameras, but doesn't matter, I activate now. Okay, then I need to rename our buttons. It's button, it must be mannequin button. Wait a minute. Mannequin, Control C, must be mannequin button. Then, oh no, mannequin male button. Then mannequin female button. Then gainfall. And last one will be to main menu button. Okay, compile, save, great. Then we can go to graph, select our, or here doesn't matter, mannequin button, mannequin male, unclick it, then mannequin female, add, unclick it, also event, yep, Genful, unclick it, and back to main menu, oh, sorry, back to main menu, unclick it, yep. So here what we have to do, first it's get, oh yeah, get owning player, yeah. Then I wanna cast to our BP gameplay player controller, because owning player it's player controller reference, and then looks I wanna go to my player controller, copy name of this event we created before, and call it, but first one, mannequin male must be mannequin male, then I wanna Ctrl C, Ctrl V, next it will be mannequin female, and last one must be Genful. Compile, save, and last one button is must be quit game. It's quit game, it's just quit, compile, save, great. And then we need to add we need actually add logic to spawn this widget in the our player controller. Okay, so then we need go to player controller. At the begin play we need to spawn create widget. It must be gameplay character select widget blueprint, promote to variable. It must be character selecting WB widget blueprint, it actually doesn't matter. Then add to viewport, compile, save, and here as you can see I can comment it, so it's create selecting UI widget. Yep. Compile, save, and last one here, when we start to spawning our player, when our character will be spawned, we need to remove from the screen. It's called remove from parent. And here I wanna comment it's remove widget from screen. And here we go. Compile, save. I can close the character. Yep, it's done. And it is. We've done. Let's test it. So I press play. I can exit game. Great. Then I can press start game, and looks here we have actually here we have menu. It works. Back to main menu. It works. I can select mannequin male. It will be works. We actually can create some splash screen or a background. In this case, when our game starts but we have no character, our camera here now is on the 0, 0, 0 coordinates, and now we can see this underground, but I won't I don't want to make this tutorial so hard with that. So in this case we have just this 0 coordinate. If you want, you can create some pawn in the different space. Okay, mannequin male. I press and it works. It's great. It's great. Then I can press play, start game, and mannequin female. Great, it works. Mannequin female. And the last one, I click play, then gainful, and looks. It's perfect. It's great.
Yeah. It is very cool.
Yeah. Now today we showed you how to create your character from scratch in the Blender, little bit. Then how to import it in the Mixamo, how to put skeleton inside of your 3D model, absolutely free. Then we actually can get not this gainful character. We have ability. We can use our wait a minute, this character if you want, but in this tutorial I selected another character, but it doesn't matter, it will works. And then we import, we set up this character in our game. Actually we have ability to just we had ability to just change in our third-person character this 3D model and animation blueprints to this character you can see on your screen, but we create this logic to have ability select which character you want to play in your game. It's very simple logic, and it works. It's great. So it's end of our tutorial. If you like this video, if this video is useful for you, you can press like, subscribe to our channel, write your comments down here, and see you next time.
Bye.